Problem statement. Determine the age of a customer as on today based on the date of birth provided by the customer. So in this demo, we will be looking into the today and the DATEDIFF function. So let me go to the customer table first. Here you can see there's a column called birth date where the customer has provided his or her birth date. Now based on this birth date, I should be calculating the age of the customer, and any day that I open this data, the age of the customer should be updated. So even if I open it next week, next year, or after 5 years, the age should be the age of the customer at that particular time. So for doing this, I'll add a new calculated column. And I'll call this age. Now I'll start this with the DATEDIFF function. Now here the first argument date1 is the birth date. So the birth date is in the customers table under the birth date column. So I'll select that, comma. Now the second argument is date2, which is the date when this data is accessed, or the current date. So any day you open this table, it should be that particular day. So to get the current date, we will use the function today. So today, comma. Now the final argument is interval. So interval means in what unit do you want to display the difference between the dates. Whether you want to display the difference as number of days, number of hours, minutes, months, etc. Now usually we display the age in years. So here the interval that we will choose is year. Then close the bracket and enter. So you can see that the new calculated column named age has been added, and it displays the age as on today. So here the birth year is 1964, and as on 2020 the age is 56. Here the birth year is 1974 and the age as on today is 46. So now even if you open this data after 2 years, this age column will be updated accordingly. So this will become 58, 58, 59, 48 and so on. So that is how we can use the today function. Now just like the today function gives you the current date, the now function provides you with the current time. In this section, we learnt how to use the following date and time functions. Weekday returns a number from 1 to 7 identifying what day of the week a specified date is. Day returns a number identifying the day of the month. Year returns the year as a 4-digit. Month returns the month as a number from 1 to 12. E-date returns the date ahead or prior to the specified number of months. EO month returns the last date of the month ahead or prior to the specified number of months. DATEDIFF returns the difference between two given dates in the chosen unit. Today returns today's date, and now returns the current time.